Hey, hello. My name is Ahmad, and today I'm going to show you one of my chatbot which I created for this website. So this website, I'm handling their website, their SEO, and just now I just created a chatbot for them. So basically, they was having some issues. Obviously, they was getting a lot of traffic from the SEO, from the paid ads. So they need a proper tool. So each time a person came to their website, instead of they call to them to nurture the lead. We added a chatbot here. So whenever a person came, they can definitely chat all the questions with this chatbot. They can have the numbers, the emails, or everything like that. So for this chatbot, I just made with the Botpress and n8n, and in the backend, I connected it with the Google Sheets and the CRM. So let's get to the chatbot and just ask some random questions. Yes, the pro. By the way, it is connected with the GPT-5. So anytime and also, I have provided the complete website's information in the backend, and I have also given it a way to search on the website. So whenever a new website, a new page we add, it already know that page's information, and it can reply to the people. So it's like we don't need to update the chatbot later on. We just need to update our website. The chatbot already knows everything. Okay, so let's ask some random questions here. Bro, I am tired of finding you. So I'm just studying very randomly. I'm not sure how it's going to reply, but let's see. Okay, can you tell me? By the way, I'm going to do some little mistakes in the spelling because I want to know, like, this is a GPT who is replying with with your company's information. Can you tell me who are you? Yep, that's a good question. Okay, so that's what I mentioned in the backend, and that's the prompt I mentioned. Okay. Uh, which locations are you? So you can see I'm just chatting with this chatbot, very random grammar, but it is understanding all of my questions because GPT knows what we are doing commonly mistakes. Okay, so it just provided us five locations. So I am from Kitty, which I should visit. So I'm going to tell you just one more thing. So Katy is near to those locations. The closest is Fontana, CA, with 24 hours full service. So by the way, I didn't tell it, but GPT knows that. So that's why it just provided me that information. Okay, so one more thing. I visited your place, but those people are very rude. So let's see what it will reply. So, sir, could you tell me the describe what went wrong with the wash? Uh, People made me uh, feel bad there. Okay, so it's asking me for the location. I can mention like, okay, it's Fontana. Got it. So it just provided you the number and the email. You can just directly call them or the email to them. So that's one benefit of just making this chatbot. So by the way, you can just see like this chatbot is not something specifically which we had before, like before the GPT 3.5, 3 point, like all the latest models. This one is just like you just provide them all the information and we add them in your website. And you can just definitely replace your support agent. They can just do some random other stuff. But for the silly questions, for the all the leads who is coming directly to your website, you must need a these kind of chatbots to replace. So you can get some time to do some other admin tasks as compared to just telling them the same generic information with 24 hours a day. So that's it for my side, and here's the demo. Bye bye.